workshop needs two identical triangular brackets. The first was drawn freehand, and the second, copied by eye, came out a different shape. Slide them together, no match. All that survives is a note with three measurements: AB 3 cm, BC 5, AC 6. Three numbers. Can they rebuild the exact triangle? First, meet the family. A triangle is a polygon with three sides, so three vertices and three angles come along for free. We sort triangles by their equal sides. Watch the tick marks. All three sides equal, and all three angles too. Equilateral. Two sides equal, isosceles. In this one, the two equal sides meet up here, the apex, and the third side below is the base. And here's a family secret. Three equal sides certainly gives you two equal sides. So an equilateral triangle is isosceles too, a special one, and no equal sides at all. Three different marks, three different lengths. Scalene. One more family member, sorted not by sides, but by an angle. A right-angled triangle has one right angle, 90 degrees, the square corner mark. And because it's an angle that sorts it, it can also be isosceles. See, two ticks and the corner, or scalene. Now its famous side, look opposite the right angle. That side has a name of its own, the hypotenuse. Back to the workshop, here's the rescue. Step 1, ruler. Draw segment AB, 3 cm. Step 2, open the compass to 6. Remember the circle's property. Every point of this arc sits exactly 6 from A. Sweep it. Step 3, compass at 5, and every point of this arc sits 5 from B. And now, the two arcs cross, there's C. C is exactly 6 from A and 5 from B. Both demands at once. Join AC, join BC. Done. The three side lengths of a triangle fix it completely. Same lengths, same size and shape, every time. And that's true for any triangle. Draw one side and the two arcs trap the last corner. Cross the arcs below the line instead, same bracket, just flipped. Last touch, name it. 3, 5, 6, all different. A scalene. And the second bracket, a perfect match. Let's remember, a triangle. 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 angles. Sort by equal sides, equilateral, which is a special isosceles, isosceles, 2 sides equal, scalene, all different. The hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle. And the 3 side lengths of a triangle fix it. Same size, same shape, completely. Next time, 4 sides. And a family tree.